squash the corn stalks down so they don't fly out. It's like jumping on a trampoline.
Leave no corn behind! Ah!
Hi, dreamers.
All right, y'all. So we've been blessed to have this opportunity to come cut this corn after it's been picked through. There's a lot of cobs still left on there, a lot of corn ears still left on the stalk that we end up using for our own consumption. We go through and process the good ones, the bad ones go to the critters. But this has been a huge blessing for our family, and we've gotten to do this 3 years in a row now. And along the way, we've learned some ways to improve it. We used to clear cut the entire field and stack all the stalks, and the animals weren't able to eat through them before they'd start to mold. So then we'd have to put them in our raised beds and compost them because you don't want to feed your animals moldy feed. So now we just cut a small section at a time and give it to the animals, let them eat it, and then we come back and get more. We do go ahead and pick all the good ears off because the ears will dry out if they're left on the stalk too long. But other than that, this is just a huge blessing for our family, and it's something we really appreciate the opportunity to get to do. We'd love to hear how you guys are able to pinch some pennies and save some dollars taking care of your critters. And as always, till next time,
Keep dreaming.